You haven't opened your banking app in 11 days. You tell yourself it's because you're busy. It's not. Your brain is actively protecting you from a number, and it's been doing it for years. Here's what it actually looks like. You get a push notification. Your statement is ready, and you swipe it away without reading it. You pay for coffee with your card and feel a tiny flinch, then move on before the thought finishes. You know your rent, your Netflix, your gym membership. You could not tell anyone right now what your actual balance is. And it's not just the app, it's the drawer where you shove unopened envelopes. It's the "I'll deal with it this weekend" that's been said every weekend for 2 years. You're not bad with money. You're avoiding a feeling that money brings up. But here's the part that changes everything. This isn't laziness, and it isn't carelessness. Psychologically, it's the exact same mechanism as avoiding a doctor when something feels wrong. Your brain isn't failing to check the number. It's succeeding at protecting you from what the number might mean about you. There's a name for this. Financial psychologists call it financial avoidance, and it runs on the same wiring as any other avoidance, of a scale, a scan, a hard conversation. The moment you understand what it's protecting you from, the whole behavior stops looking like a character flaw. It starts looking like a pattern with a cause, and patterns with causes can be changed. As long as you don't look, your brain gets to keep two possibilities alive at once. I'm fine and I'm not fine. The moment you check, one of those collapses. Psychologists call this the ostrich effect, and it's not stupidity, it's a trade. You're trading long-term control for short-term relief, and your brain, every single time, takes the short-term deal. For most people who do this, there's a specific memory underneath it. A declined card at a checkout line, a fight about money that ended badly, a parent who checked the account with visible dread every week. That one moment taught your brain a simple rule: checking equals pain. And brains don't forget rules like that. They just keep applying them years after the original moment is gone. Checking your balance rarely lives alone. It usually travels with unopened bills, unread statements, "I'll budget starting next month." That's not 4 separate problems. That's one avoidance system protecting the same wound from 4 different directions. Fix the belief underneath it, and all 4 often loosen at once. Right before people open a banking app they've been avoiding, their heart rate measurably rises, before they've seen a single digit. That's not anxiety about money. That's anxiety about a memory the app is about to trigger. Your body already knows the story. Your mind is just catching up. This isn't weakness, and it isn't something broken in you. It's a protection system that was built for a moment that already ended, and it never got the memo. You don't fix it by forcing yourself to just check more. You fix it by doing one small thing. Open the app once, today, with no goal except to look. Not to fix anything, not to budget, just to look, and let your brain learn, one time, that looking didn't hurt you. But there's a habit even more common than this one, and it costs people far more than a missed balance check ever could. That's next.